Nope, this isn't popcorn chicken. It's Nankotsu Karaage from Japan. I bought some lovely chicken cartilage, and here it is in all its glory. And with it, I'm going to make Nankotsu Karaage, a Japanese Izakaya classic. Now just check out this piece. There's cartilage and there's meat on the cartilage, and that's the sort of cartilage that you want. First, cut the cartilage into bite-sized pieces. Each piece is like a yin and yang of meat and cartilage, which makes your nankotsu extremely yummy. You're probably used to throwing your cartilage away, but after you've watched this, you might not. And making Nankotsu Karaage is just like making chicken karaage, so let's go! Alright, I've just added some salt and pepper and ginger and garlic. Followed by sake, regular soy sauce, and some dark soy sauce to give it some character. Give it a good mix, then add some potato starch and give it a good mix again. Now set it aside for 20 minutes to let it get funky. Okay, now it's time to deep fry the chicken pieces at a low temperature. And when I say low temperature, I mean about 160 degrees Celsius. Okay, you've got a couple of choices here. You can cook them as is for several minutes until they're golden brown and they'll be just fine. Or you could do the 2-fry method. That's where you cook them at 160 for several minutes until they're just about done, then take them out and let them rest for about 3 minutes. Then pump up the heat to about 190 degrees. Pop them back in for about 30 seconds, then take them out and they are done! And which method did I choose? Well, I just left them in until they're golden brown. And look how they turned out! They turned out bloody-sational! Oh, they look so good, and I'll tell you what, they'll go great with some Kiwi mayo and a slice of lemon. Slam dunk in the Kiwi, and how does he taste? Oh my god. Oh, and that's that cross-section. So forgo your popcorn chicken and get some Nankotsu Karaage into you. Try it!